Are you looking to achieve financial independence and escape the daily grind? In this video, we're going to uncover 7 incredible investments that have the potential to set you on the path to never having to work again. Whether you're a young adult or already established in your career, these investment strategies can help you achieve financial freedom. Hi there. Welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to providing valuable insights on money management, personal finance, and investing to help you improve your financial future. If you're interested in learning more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, this video is for you. By implementing these investment strategies, you can set yourself up for a future where work becomes optional, regardless of your current age or financial situation. Get ready for high-yield savings accounts, the ultimate tool for turbocharging your money. Traditional savings accounts are like stagnant ponds, barely growing your money. But with high-yield savings accounts, your money can soar. These accounts offer higher interest rates, leaving other accounts in the dust. Here's the magic. High-yield savings accounts are offered by online banks. They have lower overhead costs, allowing them to pass on the savings to you. Convenience is key too, with easy access through your phone or computer. Rest assured, your money is safe. High-yield savings accounts are often backed by the FDIC, protecting your deposits. And the best part? Minimal fees or none at all, maximizing your gains. With high-yield savings accounts, you can achieve your goals faster. Whether it's a dream vacation or a down payment on a home, your money grows faster, bringing your dreams closer. So, take action now and harness the power of high-yield savings accounts. Stock and bond investments are powerful tools for growing your wealth and achieving financial success. Stocks offer ownership in companies, allowing you to benefit from their growth and profitability. With potentially higher returns, they can be a key driver of long-term wealth creation. However, stocks come with risks, as their prices can be volatile. Bonds, on the other hand, provide stability and income. By investing in bonds, you lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. They offer a more predictable stream of income compared to stocks, making them a suitable choice for conservative investors. Diversification is essential when it comes to investing in stocks and bonds. By spreading your investments across different companies and sectors, as well as combining stocks and bonds, you can reduce risk and enhance your overall portfolio performance. Before investing, it's important to do your research and consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Whether you're interested in individual stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs, it's crucial to have a well-thought-out investment strategy. Investing in stocks and bonds can help you build wealth, generate income, and secure a brighter financial future. Start taking steps today and unleash the power of stock and bond investments in your portfolio. Owning a rental property is like having your own money-making machine that operates around the clock. Rental properties offer a consistent stream of income, while also providing the potential for property appreciation. As your property's value grows over time, so does your overall net worth. One of the key advantages of rental properties is leverage. By financing a portion of the property's purchase price through a mortgage, you can amplify your returns on investment. It's like using other people's money to build your wealth. Consider this example. You invest in a rental property with a $40,000 down payment. Over the years, as the property appreciates, your initial investment grows, resulting in an impressive return on investment. But the benefits don't end there. Rental properties also offer attractive tax advantages. You can deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance costs, reducing your taxable income. Location is crucial in real estate investing. Investing in rental properties in high-demand areas ensures a steady flow of tenants and increased rental income. While being a landlord comes with responsibilities, many successful investors hire property management companies to handle the day-to-day tasks. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of passive income without the daily hassles. Imagine building a portfolio of rental properties, each one contributing to your income and wealth. With careful research and smart decision-making, rental properties can become a powerful tool for financial independence. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services on behalf of companies and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. It's like becoming a brand ambassador and getting rewarded for your efforts. Imagine you have a popular blog or YouTube channel about fitness. By partnering with fitness equipment companies as an affiliate, you can recommend their products to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like turning your passion into profit. But the beauty of affiliate marketing doesn't stop there. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer support. Your main focus is creating compelling content and driving traffic to your affiliate links. It's like running a virtual store without the typical overhead costs. Let's take another example. Suppose you're passionate about cooking and decide to become an affiliate for a kitchenware company. You can create engaging recipe videos and include affiliate links to the cooking tools you use. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like monetizing your culinary skills. Affiliate marketing offers incredible flexibility and scalability. You can choose from a wide range of products and niches that align with your interests. Whether it's fashion, technology, health, or personal development, there's an affiliate program for almost every niche. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires building trust with your audience. Be genuine, provide valuable content, and recommend products you truly believe in. Transparency and authenticity are key to building long-term relationships and maximizing your earnings. Audiobook recording. Audiobook recordings have become increasingly popular in recent years, with more people embracing the convenience and enjoyment of listening to books. This surge in demand has created a unique investment opportunity for those looking to generate passive income. Investing in audiobook recordings involves partnering with authors, publishers, or production companies to secure the rights to produce and distribute audiobooks. By selecting high-quality books with potential market appeal, you can tap into a growing audience of audiobook enthusiasts. The beauty of this investment lies in its scalability. As you build a portfolio of audiobook titles, your earning potential can multiply. Each audiobook becomes an asset that continues to generate revenue long after the initial investment has been made. When choosing which audiobooks to invest in, consider popular genres like fiction, self-help, business, or personal development. Look for books with a strong following or potential for adaptation into movies or TV series, as these tend to attract a larger audience. To ensure a captivating listening experience, it's essential to invest in professional voice actors or narrators who can bring the story to life. Engaging narration adds value to the audiobook and increases its chances of success in the market. Platforms like Audible and iTunes provide an avenue to distribute and monetize your audiobook recordings. Leveraging these platforms allows you to reach a global audience and maximize your investment returns. As an investor in audiobook recordings, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income. Once the production and distribution are set up, you can sit back and watch the revenue flow in, even while you sleep or pursue other interests. Online course creation. Online course creation allows you to package your expertise, skills, or passions into a valuable educational resource that can be accessed by learners worldwide. It's like becoming a virtual teacher, sharing your knowledge and empowering others. Imagine you're an experienced photographer. By creating an online course, you can teach aspiring photographers everything from camera techniques to editing skills. Students can learn at their own pace, from the comfort of their homes, and benefit from your years of experience. It's like unlocking a global class. But the benefits of online course creation go beyond just teaching. It's a scalable business model with tremendous earning potential. Once you've created your course, it can generate income for years to come, even while you focus on other projects or enjoy your free time. Let's take another example. Suppose you're an expert in digital marketing. You can create an online course that covers topics like social media marketing, SEO, and content creation. As the demand for digital skills continues to grow, your course becomes a valuable asset, attracting students who are eager to learn and willing to invest in their professional development. Online platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera provide easy-to-use tools to create, market, and sell your courses. These platforms also give you access to a vast network of learners who are actively seeking knowledge in various fields. The best part? Online course creation allows you to leverage automation and technology. Once you've set up your course, it can be available for purchase 24/7, without requiring your constant presence. It's like having an online business that works for you around the clock. To ensure the success of your online course, focus on delivering high-quality content, engaging visuals, and interactive learning experiences. Engage with your students through discussion forums, live webinars, or personalized feedback, creating a supportive community that enhances the learning journey. Share your knowledge, make a lasting impact, and build a sustainable income stream that offers you the freedom and flexibility to live life on your terms. Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT. Welcome to the world of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, where you can invest in real estate without the hassle of property ownership. Let's explore this exciting investment option and discover how it can help you grow your wealth. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate properties. By investing in a REIT, you become a shareholder and have the opportunity to earn a portion of the income generated by the real estate assets held within the trust. REITs offer a way to diversify your investment portfolio and tap into the potential of the real estate market without the need for significant capital or direct property management. It's like owning a piece of the real estate market without the headaches. For example, let's say you're interested in commercial real estate. By investing in a commercial REIT, you can gain exposure to office buildings, shopping centers, or hotels. As the properties generate rental income, you receive a share of the profits in the form of dividends. REITs also provide access to real estate sectors that may be challenging to invest in individually, such as healthcare facilities, industrial properties, or residential complexes. It allows you to benefit from the expertise and portfolio diversification offered by professional real estate managers. Additionally, REITs often offer liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell shares on the stock exchange. This flexibility gives you the ability to adjust your investment portfolio based on market conditions or your financial goals. One key advantage of investing in REITs is the requirement to distribute a significant portion of their taxable income as dividends to shareholders. This can result in attractive dividend yields, providing a steady stream of income. So, if you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio and participate in the real estate market without the challenges of property ownership, consider exploring the world of real estate investment trusts, REITs. With the potential for consistent income and the advantages of liquidity, REITs offer a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking long-term wealth growth. And there you have it, the 7 investments that can pave the way to financial freedom and allow you to break free from the chains of traditional work. By diversifying your investments across high-yield savings accounts, stock and bond investments, rental properties, affiliate marketing, audiobook recordings, online course creation, and real estate investment trusts, you can create multiple streams of passive income that work for you, even while you sleep. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Together, let's create a future where work is optional and dreams become a reality.